Hi guys, everyone. I hope you have a good run on Saturday, and as we present you, this is a lucky draw. So yes, you're gonna win all of this for $950 of product. $950 of product. So we go through fast about all the product. I will explain to you one by one what it's about, and basically all this product you will have it enough for 2 months at least. So you will have it for the race coming, before the race, so it's very important to take it as from now, and then after this you will take it the months after the race, okay? So the lucky winner will start to get the Nutri-Mill. So Nutri-Mill, you will start, this one is a vanilla soy protein shake, so it's perfect to take in the morning as a meal replacement, or together with a meal if you want to have extra energy, then you can get it. This one is an extra soy protein, and also this one is an extra whey protein that you can also mix together. If you want more information also later how to take it, you can contact me directly. I will send you my email address on this video. And this one is a Fibergy, so it's an extra Fibergy, fiber to put inside also all your protein shake. So this one you can take morning. For me, I prefer morning, empty stomach, it's perfect. I like to take instead of a breakfast, it's very good. And after this we go through the supplement. So supplement, at least Profavanol C. So this one, this is my favorite. Okay, Profavanol C is an extra vitamin C with grapeseed extract. So this supplement we're gonna do a presentation later on and explain more about it. This one is Procosa. So Procosa for runner is perfect. You have glucosamine inside, mixed with curcuma is very good product also. So this one is Coquinone. So Coquinone is a Q10, very good for your cardiovascular, your heart. So all the runner must take it. It's very good. And Biomega, this one is a fish oil. So pure fish oil, double strain. So because this one 100% double strain and made of small rockfish, because usually the fish oil in the market that you use everywhere that you buy it, they made from salmon, which is toxic. This one is guaranteed made from a small rockfish, which contain more oil and also double strain, so less toxicity and less mercury inside. And then those two products, this one has to be taken together. So basically this is your vitamins, your minerals, and your antioxidants, it's kind of a multivitamins. So all of this must take it together for a period of 2 months. And then yeah, basically that's it. So all those supplements are bioavailable. So it means bioavailable means that your body will fully absorb all those supplements. They are made it for your body to fully absorption. So you will really feel a difference. The difference in energy on your run and then on your daily basis. Okay guys, so let's try this. Okay, so we're going to talk now about the difference between supplements. So what you're buying in the market is not what you think they are. Now we are going to explain what is the best supplement and what you have to be careful what you buy in the market now. So we're going to compare a few supplements, and what we're going to do for this test, we're going to compare 3 supplements, and we're going to put iodine inside. So iodine actually is a strong oxidant that we will mix into the water, and after this the color will become orange. So iodine basically is something that I use myself in the kitchen. When I cut myself, I put some betadine, iodine, so it's the same things to put a strong oxidant. So to get rid of oxidant, of course you need antioxidant, and antioxidant you need a strong supplement to get rid of the oxidant into your body. So we're going to compare today this brand called Swiss brand. So as you can see, this one, okay, you can see this supplement actually is a self-contained supplement, which is not too bad, but actually the color is a bit scary because it contains a lot of coloring. So we will see the result later. This one. Okay, this one is a brand from GNC. So you can see the brand, this one. Okay, so GNC, you can see the capsule actually is very cheap brand. Actually, it's expensive. This costs about $43. But the quality of this is basically look like plastic. So it's gelatin. But it's the cheapest things to do when they do the packaging of this. And you don't really know where exactly the main powder comes from. So they probably manufacture in US, but the main powder is maybe from China, or we don't know anyway. And the next one, this is our USANA. So USANA, they're using a special technology called hybrid. So this one, as you can see, we put closer, okay, like this. So as you can see, hybrid is basically, they put the grapeseed extract and the vitamin C. So it's two sides. And for better absorption of the vitamin C and the antioxidant, your body will react better, and you will fully take the absorption. So what we do now, we put water in the glass. So we put. Okay, we will start to put the GNC first. Or this one. Okay, let's start with the USANA first. So USANA, we will not even put the whole piece. We will just put a small piece of USANA supplement to show you the quality, how it's effective with the oxidant. So it's really a little bit. Yeah, you can see this one. Yep. So we only put half of it. Put inside. Okay, next is the GNC. So GNC, we take out the plastic things, because I'm sure it will not go all around the mix very well inside the water. So we put only the powder inside. And this one is we put directly the grapeseed from a Swiss brand. Okay, so let's start the mix. Okay, I will start with this one first. I'll start with the Swiss. So Swiss, when I mix, so what you do when you mix antioxidant with a strong oxidant, the water should turn white, right? Because it should take out all the oxidant. So let's see the effect. Yeah, basically it doesn't really do anything. It makes it even more red. So it's a little bit scary. Okay, let's see the other. Okay, this GNC brand. GNC, the trust brand by everyone. GNC have a small effect. Yeah, it's turning yellowish a bit. Yeah, it's a small effect, but still for me, the foam is still there, and it doesn't really absorb all inside the water. It's not really clear. So let's see USANA. So USANA, we only put a little bit, remember. Wow, and now become really clear water. This is really amazing. So even this, you can drink it. I can drink it. So yeah, well, you can see a difference when you buy any supplement in the market. You can see what you are buying now in the market, and you have to make sure that it doesn't contain too much chemical and additive that they put and what they tell you on the box. So it's not really true. So make sure you buy a good quality of supplement, and for us you are safe because you are using USANA, and what we offer to you in all the packet of USANA for this Lucky Joe is 100% USANA. Okay.
Show again the liquid inside.
Yeah.
The GNC.
You can see this one. So USANA, GNC. And Swiss is very nothing scary. Okay guys, now it's time for the Lucky Joe and see who is the lucky winner. Okay, so we have 82 response of the Lucky Joe for the Lucky Joe. So as you can see, 82 response. What we are going to do, we are going to select a number, and then after I will tell the name, and then you will contact me. I will send you the link where to contact me and everything. So who is the lucky winner? Let's have my colleague who choose the number, and That's it. Okay, so I can see the number is number 41. 41. Wow. And the name is, let's see the name. Okay, number 41, we have Tam Yu Kong Simon. Okay, Tam Yu Kong, sorry, my Chinese. Okay, so Tam Yu Kong. Simon. Yes, Simon. In French is Simon. Okay, good. So Simon, you can contact me to my directly to my email where I just sent this email. So nicolas@skillsharpening.com. And then I will also send you my number. You can pick it up. I will send you where to come and pick up all the product. I will explain to you how to take it. For everybody who didn't win this lucky draw, we will do it again. Don't worry. But first of all, if you want to try the product, if you want to test by yourself, because actually for the quality, the price is really good, and then you can get a 10% discount. So if you want to buy any of these products, you can contact me, or you can also check the link I will send you, ask the scientist to know more about the product, and then I send you a direct link. If you send me back your email address, your contact, I send you a direct link, then you will get a 10% discount on the product. Okay, so don't hesitate. Okay, Simon, I pack for you. I prepare all the packets for you. Everyone, guys, don't forget, I'm also a coach. I'm a nutritionist coach, and I do a lot of testing. I do DNA testing, and I can test what your body needs. So what you need to do, don't hesitate. You can subscribe to my channel, this one, very easy, skillsharpening.com. And then you can go to this, also skillsharpening.com, to my website. So, yes. Okay. Thanks guys, I see you soon. Bye.